Okay guys, we're back and now Keegan is going to start unboxing all of them. So, open this, pick one and then open it. Okay, you're picking this one. Tell me if you need help.
Okay. Don't need help.
What are you getting? Who did you get? Did you get Dr. Frost?
Yeah, Dr.
Show
Frost.
them. Who you got?
Dr. Frost.
Okay, pick another one. Can I pick one for you to open?
Yeah.
Open this one. I have no idea what's inside. Here, open from this.
Oh. Trash.
Okay, put all the trash down there.
Batman!
Woo! Which Batman is it?
This
Open
one.
it. Wow! Did you get a really cool Batman? Show the vlog. Quick vlog. This is who we got. So let's put it in this collection. Kyle, pick another one, Keegan.
I'll pick this one.
Okay, what do you think is going to be in here?
No idea.
Here, right here you can open.
Okay.
Right through that hole. Do you need help? Ready like that.
Okay.
Okay, let's see what you get. Green Lantern. Now, you like him?
Yeah.
Show the vlog.
I like the Green Lantern.
Show him his chest. He's pretty cool, so we're going to put him in this pile.
Yeah, put his hands down.
Okay, here's another one, Keeks. Tell me if you need help.
So.
Ooh, who's that?
This, I have no idea.
Show the vlog.
Hey, look, who's this is?
Tell me in the comments if you know who this is. But we don't, so.
So just put it in a pile.
Okay, so pick another one, Keegan.
I have no idea what I'm
Talk a little bit louder so the vlog can hear you.
What's this is? Batman!
Another Batman?
What is on his face, Keegan?
That's an orange thing.
Yeah, let's show the vlog.
It's orange on him.
Ooh, it's got like a visor.
There's Keegan's pile. Pick another one, Keegan.
Shall we put them in a pile?
Yeah. Okay, here he goes. He's opening his next one. I wonder who's going to be in here, guys. I don't know. Tell me if you need help.
Okay, I will.
Let's see. Who is that?
Guys, tell me in the comments if you know who this is. Yeah.
Oh, there he is.
Hang on.
Okay, can I open one for you?
Yeah.
Okay, this one's a hard ribbon, so we're gonna have to open this ribbon. Or maybe we can just rip it open. I see something. Did you get the Joker?
Yeah. I'm Joker. Oh, where's all the good guys? I'm excited. I'm gonna take all the superheroes.
Here's the Joker.
Yeah, let's go get the superheroes out here.
Okay, Keegan, don't start playing now. You've still got a lot more to open and a lot more cool characters to get. That looks like a policeman. Oh, Keegan, there's two. Oh, you found the good one. Keegan, can I say something? Hey, can I say something? These are from Jurassic Park. Look, they've got the little dinosaurs.
Yeah.
Those are from Jurassic Park, guys.
So comment below.
Keegan, do you know who Jurassic Park is?
Yeah.
That's the dinosaur movie. Okay, put them in the collection. Keep opening them, kids. Who do you think's gonna be in this one?
I have no idea.
Oh, look at that. He found.
Guys, tell me in the comments if you know who this is.
He's got like these little snow boots. Pretty cool.
Yeah, he's pretty cool.
Yeah, kids, pick another one.
I'll pick this one.
Who did you get?
Batgirl. Guys, this Batgirl.
Awesome.
Show her her logo, her cape, and her hair.
Yeah.
Okay, next one. Okay, there's tape on this one, so this one's gonna be a little harder. Who is that? That is the genie from Aladdin.
Yeah, Genie from Aladdin.
Isn't he cool? Look at him. Look
Yeah.
at his eyes. His eyes are black.
You guys did Genie from Aladdin.
Here he is, guys.
But he's pretty cool, Imaginext. So,
That's my favorite.
I know, Genies are favorite.
Okay, put him in the pile. You've still got a lot more, Keegs.
Oh, no.
You've still got a lot more cooler.
This one is?
Let's see what you get, guys. Again.
Oh, this one is a lot harder.
Yep.
Oh, it has
Here, ready? Just pull up this.
green on it.
Ready? Pull at the bottom. Pull at the bottom. I see a hand. Who's that? Is that a scavenger person? I don't think. Let's name him Woody.
Yeah. Guys, I want to name this Woody. God, but that's not actually named as Woody. Guys, comment below who this guy is.
Yep. I don't think they know. I don't think he has a name.
Yeah.
Okay. Here, can I open this one for you?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? You ready? We're gonna. I think I see some legs. Who is that? Who is
That
that?
is Robin.
Yes, you got Robin.
It's Robin. Hey, look, this is Robin.
Show him his body, like.
Guys, look. That's his body. Robin. And look, guys, I'm going to show you the logo. He doesn't have a logo, so he is cool. I got his cape, so he's pretty cool. I got this one.
Oh, you pulled out this. Okay. Open it.
A blue Batman like. Batman, he like his logo. Yeah, so he's pretty cool.
And he's really cool.
What's next?
You guys, thanks for the Imaginext for me.
Of course, you're welcome, buddy.
Here we go. Let's see what's
Kellen
next.
set his alarm for 6 o'clock this morning so we could have all these wrapped before you wake up, Keegan.
Oh, you want to wake up? Whoa.
Okay, can you
What? No, I don't want to.
come on this way. Okay, look, who's this, Keegan? Oh, is that Keegan? It's this guy's buddy. Look, they're buddies, guys. Look,
So
they're both gonna go on
coming.
each.
Make sure you put it in the
Just wait.
comments below if you know who this guy is, because we have no idea who he is.
Okay, Keegan, come on, just wait. We've got some tiny bit more. Here we go, Keegan. Who do you think's in there?
No idea.
Who is that? 'Cause that looks like a policeman to me.
Yeah, that is a policeman.
Come on, stop.
Guys, comment below who this is.
Can we see him? Yep, comments below if you guys know who this is, because we have no idea either.
Okay, Keeks. How much left do we have? We only have couple more.
Okay, 3 more. Where's this at?
Do you need help? What is that?
Connor has this.
Yep. This is a little like air Batman. He's looking like he's
But
ready to
Connor
go
has
nuts.
it
Yep.
though.
Oh, Connor, your cousin?
Yeah.
Dang.
My cousin's actually Emily. That is Colin's
You got 2 left. Open them.
See something.
I know who this is. comments, guys, tell us if you know who this is, because we are really confused. She's got like the spider legs and that, so.
There
you go.
confused.
Okay, guys, Keegan, there's last one. Let's see what's in it.
Yeah, you pretty cool, soak. How much longer you could? We're very speedy.
Okay, there's last one. Ready? Do you need help?
I don't need help.
Ready? Let's see what it is. Who is that? Is that? He looks like a surgeon, guys. Look at him. So this is the last one. So let's show you guys all of them. So we've got this weird Wolverine girl, this Scavenger, Batman, Joker, Jurassic Park guy. We've got Genie from Aladdin. We've got this weird Batman, a Batman, another Scavenger buddy, a flying Batman ready to go flying. This guy. We got another Jurassic Park guy, Robin. We've got Batman with his cool cipher thing. Green Lantern. We've got this guy, and we've also got this guy. We've got Batgirl, and we've got Dr. Frost. So thank you guys. Now we're gonna go play with all these toys. We'll be right back.